Let's break it down, the updates for the Starknet. Yesterday, I analyzed Starknet personally for myself, and I added 2 alerts. Yesterday, I didn't open any position, just to double check if these alerts will be triggered or not. So yes, today, so after the 12 even hours, these 2 alerts triggered. Maybe not confirmed yet. I'm gonna double check it. So the first one, I added the money outflow on the daily time frame. I would like to double check, is it confirmed or not? Not yet. So like you can see, the signal is triggered. We saw some sales on a daily time frame. That's why we go into correction. We got pretty good reaction at perfect test. This is why you have to, trust the process and understand how the market makers just deliver the price. So it stopped not randomly. Some altcoins, of course, more volatile, some less volatile, but market makers usually deliver the price to the right price target in the right moment. I don't know how it works, but it is what it is. I think it's some soft algorithm or what. Without any crazy news, just recent news was this one, 21, that one, mainnet, 2 days ago. I don't think so. This news is like a main driver for the Starknet performance. No, just because all coins, just coin after coin after coin, the pump. So just because of speculation, I love when the people think it's something fundamental. So guys, I remind you, so this is the fundamental. So the main purpose of the Starknet, the same, at the same dollar and at the 2 cents. So the fundamental mean nothing, absolutely mean nothing for the price. That's why the market makers will deliver the price to the right target, because they can. And if they can, they do. So money outflow, not yet, not confirmed on the daily. It's bullish. Why? Because you saw example on the Moon River and how we get reaction at that line. Sooner or later, we will test with the Starknet 10 cents 68 at this current moment. It's a fundamental line. So we got like a price now. Price is 4 cents 36, but fundamental value, price and the value line, it's 10 cents 68 of this asset. And of course, it's on a weekly time frame. That's why we need the time. So maybe it's going to be the till middle of the May. I don't know. Maybe by end of the May. We can't know. Or maybe it's going to be this autumn. So we just consolidated here, the line going down, and the fundamental line in Joule can be like 7. That's why I recommended to add alert to the line and wait the target, right? The take profit line for the Starknet at this current moment is 28.37, and it's over the high of November 75. Basically, I think the Starknet never reached the new all-time high, one take, but I think one day, maybe, if some miracle happen, we can see even the 50 cents. The previous zone of interest, right, will be like rejection. Maybe even $1. Who knows? But I think the Starknet is good for speculation, right? That's why I don't think so this coin will go to 0 and everybody forgot about it. No, a lot of money, I guess, invested in the marketing, right? Like you can see that BTC staking, what they trying to introduce now, absolutely mean nothing for the price. So they posted even here, even here, even here. So 3 or 4 months passed and nothing happened. That's why now, of course, when the price, just because of seasonality, start pumping, they say, oh, take a look. It's just because of some BTC staking or what? Guys, absolutely don't believe in that marketing. Right, weekly time frame, guys, here. The last money inflow was at, from the big guys, on a Binance at 3 cents 20. They pumped the price to 5 cents, a round number. I guess today was 504. This is it. And anyway, I think to talk about the some reversal, break of structure, we need to break this high with a market yesterday, just personal for myself, 940. 940 and above the exit line on the daily, 200 EMA on a daily, and sweep this high. So yes, maybe by middle of May, before the or after the Trump and CZP meeting, right? We will see the 10 cents for the Starknet, and I will be not surprised if after that we're going to correction once again, like 30%, 40% during the summer, and only in autumn, maybe we're going to see that over than 28 cents. Who knows? We will see. We can't know the timing, but one day I think we will see that target. So money outflow not confirmed yet, but soon we will see the confirmation. Right. Take profit signal on the daily based on trade on indicator. Let's check if it confirmed. Yes, it was confirmed. So this was the last time to buy signal. Take profit. Yes, trigger it yesterday. And this is a signal to sell on the daily. I think it's not a main one, like we going down to 0 to the 1 cent. No. I think the lines start curve up and we will see like impulse, consolidation, impulse, at least to this area. Maybe another way, like usually 1, 2, 3 drives pattern. And only after that, in June, July, we're going down again. That's why the first signal, at least to sell, we saw it. All right, take a look on the 12 time frame. Now we talk only about local zones, guys. No makes sense to talk about a global one targets because we can't know what will happen with this stock and even tomorrow, right? So take profit. We can close this one. Also take a look. Amazing, amazing. So 100 EMA test on the daily. It's a 200 EMA test on a 12 time frame. So the time frame synchronized. It's good. It's good. And we saw the signal to sell, but I don't think so. This is the main one to out. Let me show you also this one, the yearly open. Yearly open is really important to track it because in many cases, guys, talking come back to test the yearly open above or below. So yearly open price 2026 for the Starknet now it's 7 cents 95. It's a daily time frame 200 EMA test. Now, I can say the Starknet moved pretty accurate by algorithm. All right, so this is a target. Let's mark it like break a structure, right? This one on the daily. This is like last impulse. We need to break this high, and I think we will by middle of the May. And after that, we're going to once again correction. What I don't like, we didn't sweep this low again. After Donald Trump dump. This is what I don't like. But many tokens like ICP, for example, stop it even at 50% of that week. So trade on. It's too early for me personally to add alerts to take profit, but you can add it. All right, so let's check ADZ direction. This is the distribution. So this is what I don't like because I think, what we will see? I think we will see something like this one by middle of the May. And something like this one on the chart here and the distribution down. So this is what I think we will see really, really soon. And the direction, soon we will see the zone of fixation. So be ready to take the profit from the Starknet. If you bought at the 2 cents, at 6 cents, for example, it's not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. Market smooth, Euphoria. It's kind of strange, some tokens pump at like 300%. It's still not like even the hopium, but Starknet, kind of strange. People in total disbelief. So after every single capitulation and the pump, so after capitulation, this is a disbelief hopium pump, we see immediately the euphoria. So the people trying to euphoria just or hop in more or just open the big leverages, right? In euphoria. On the weekly time frame, of course, guys, it's just the beginning. Just the beginning. That's why for the spot position, my targets, And also, I recommend you go and check my video, my set experience with the Starknet. How I don't know how to get access to my Starknet tokens in the Starknet chain now with some epic story with the Argent wallet. All right, so this is the A3 now in the market smooth, guys. And money power, let me check on the 12th time frame and the 4th time frame. Yes, on the 12th time frame was a fixation. Somebody take the profit. A daily still not. No, take profit. And by the way, take a look. Wow, I never seen something similar before. Since February 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 RSI bullish divergence, you know, on the Starknet on the daily. This was like a screaming signal to buy the Starknet. Nice one. All right, so I still hold the Starknet. You know, I'm not using the DCA, so I not lost, like I froze the some coins. Maybe I will recover that coins lately if I got a chance. But I'm way too out of break even, so I don't want to be the diamond hands and wait the $1. If I got a chance to out of the Starknet, I will do this one at the break even. If not, it is what it is. I accept the risk. So the money power now, guys, without a money outflow, wait. And the weekly time frame, of course, guys, I think it's not like a time to out. Time to out will be here like in December 24. So let's add alert. One day, I think this alert will be triggered. So we added alert this time to the money power on the weekly time frame money outflow. So this is it, guys. I highly recommend to do the same. All targets I showed you. My idea explained it. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I was showed on this video, write me DM. Don't forget your channel. See you next time, guys.